This Teuqe Black Fridge Lock for kids acts like a steadfast guardian. It helps keep little hands away from what's inside your refrigerator. Installation is quite simple, and it uses strong adhesive pads. So, there's no need for drilling or tools. This Teuqe Black Fridge Lock for kids can also secure other things. Think of cabinets and drawers, adding a layer of safety around your home. It is a practical solution, and it aims to give parents some peace of mind. The design of the Teuqe Black Fridge Lock for kids is straightforward. 2 pads attach to the surface, and a strap connects them. To open, an adult simply presses a release. This makes it easy for grown-ups but tricky for children. It's like a gentle giant, strong when it needs to be, yet easy for those who know the secret. You can use it not just on the fridge door but also on freezers. Some even find it useful for toilet seats, preventing unwanted exploration. The pads are a decent size at 1.9 by 2.3 inches. Overall, the Teuqe Black Refrigerator Lock seems like a helpful tool for families. It addresses the problem of kids accessing things they shouldn't. While it's not about power or shooting arrows, it's about providing a simple barrier. It won't make popcorn, but it might save your breast milk or that special bottle of juice from being spilled. If you're looking for basic organizers for safety, this could be it. It doesn't collect data, but it does offer a bit more control over what your little ones can get into. It's a quiet helper in the daily pursuit of a safer home and reduced unwanted consumption. Pros. For children, mini fridge locks, freezer lock use, refrigerator door use, cabinets can use, drawers can use, toilet seat use, pad size 1.9 by 2.3 in, easy to understand, black color. Cons. Don't block air vents, don't cover screw heads, plates not for painted wood, not for laminated wood, not for drywall, adhesive strength is key. Proper cleaning needed, cure time is important. Features. Black color, for children, mini fridge lock, freezer lock, refrigerator door use, cabinet lock, drawer lock, toilet seat lock, pad size 1.9 by 2.3 in. Easy to use. This Teuqe Black Lock is made for child safety. It can lock mini fridges, freezers, refrigerator doors, cabinets, drawers, and even toilet seats. The sticky pads that come with it are about 1.9 by 2.3 inches. It's designed to be easy to use. You just stick it on to keep things closed. This helps stop kids from opening things they shouldn't. This black Teuqe lock with 1.9 by 2.3 inch pads can be used on refrigerators, mini fridges, freezers, cabinets, drawers, and even toilet seats to keep children out. It's designed to be easy to understand and install, avoiding air vents and screw heads. However, it's not suitable for painted wood, laminated wood, or drywall. The lock relies on strong adhesive, so proper cleaning and cure time are important for it to work well.